Good day and welcome to my Evergreen Online's website tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to place a reorder. If you haven't already done so, please sign into the website. If you need additional assistance on how to do so, please see the website tutorial video titled Signing In. Once you've signed in, up at the top right corner, there's an area labeled My Account. From that area, you'll be able to do some of the most common account maintenance, including placing a reorder. So what you're going to do is press the reorder button. Once you're on the reorder page, the products will automatically, from your previous orders, will appear on this page. As long as the items is currently available within our product selection, you will see them on this page. You can always do a different sort. In this scenario, it's sorted by recently ordered, but you can also sort by best-selling products, pricing, the name, or perhaps even the biggest savings. If you have a variety of products, you can also increase the number of items shown on the page to 96 to make things easier. This is just an example for demonstration purposes, but I only have 3 items in my recently ordered area. And in order to place a reorder, you just simply click Add to Cart. And it's as simple as that. And those items will be added to your cart. For additional information regarding your shopping cart and how to use our shopping cart, please see the tutorial video labeled Shopping Cart.